It's a bubble party.
I hope you know Grandpa's leaving you.
Yeah, we are. We're going.
Are you coming to Aunt Mary's house?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
I know.
Lizzie, come here. Hey, ask your mom.
You're welcome. See you in a minute.
Okay.
I can't open it. I'm the
Bubble party. Bye, Lizzie.
Look at them all go.
The bubble.
Bubble. They're all floating away from you. Is it bad to be amused by bubbles?
No, not really. I'm amused by anything and everything.
Bye.
Oh, that was you!
Bye, Sophia. Would you like me to come home with you? Okay.
All right, girls. You ready to go?
Yeah.